Hello, fourth grade mathematicians. Today I'm going to go over just the model strategy for adding mixed numbers. So if I want to add 2 and 3/4 plus 1 and 2/4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to model my whole numbers for each of these first. Remember when we add, we're putting our mixed numbers together. So we have to model both of these. So I'm going to model my 2 wholes. 1, 2. And I know that those are wholes because they are completely shaded in. So I have 2 wholes in that mixed number. Then over here in this mixed number, I see that I have 1 whole. So I'm going to add that in as well. And again, it needs to be completely shaded in because it is 1 whole. Now I'm going to add my fraction pieces. So I have 3/4 plus 2/4. So I'm going to draw a model here. And I'm going to shade in my 3/4. 1, 2, 3. Then I need to shade in my 2/4, but I'm noticing I only have 1/4 left here. So I'm going to draw another model so that I can shade in both of my fourths. Now I just have to count how many wholes, how many fraction pieces to find my new mixed number. So I have 1 whole, 1 whole, 1 whole, 1 whole. So I have 4 wholes, 4 that are completely shaded in, and then I have 1/4 shaded in here. So my answer is 4 and 1/4.